afternoon to all of you. And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV. You're watching live from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And today, we will have a special video vlog as we celebrate the 125th Independence Day here in the Philippines. Wow! Sino nang buhay hanggang ngayon at sinong buhay pa na nakaabot from Independence Day hanggang ngayon? Wow! Kaway-kaway sana all, no? Maabot ng 125 years. Tawagin nyo na ang inyong lolo't lola because our vlog will be a very interested, especially for our student na meron ding mga lolo't lola dyan na naabutan ang history na to. We will have here a special video vlog of Emilio, ang Batang Cavite. Ninong TV in celebrating the 125th Independence Day special educational vlog. Wow! So, especially yung ating mga student there, ha? Galing vacation, long vacation since Friday, nakabook na sa hotel, no? Nakabook na sa Boracay, yung iba dyan, nag-Japan pa, oh, sana no? Japan na lang. Yung iba naman, sa bahay lang din, vacation, shopping, nag-SM, o kung nag-SM kayo, panoorin nyo rin yung vlog ko, ha? About Mr. Henry C. sa Ninong TV, the king of Philippine business. No? Ganun talaga, nag-SM kayo, panoorin nyo rin yung vlog ko. But anyway, sa mga nag-vacation dyan, sana kasama sa inyong tourist spot or bucket list ang Cavite or in Kawit Cavite, kasi yan yung pag-aaralan natin ngayon. Emilio, ang Batang Cavite, we will discover here Emilio Aguinaldo's legacy, the place where he belonged, and your Ninong belong also. Diba? So, we will have here first an introduction about Mr. Emilio Aguinaldo. He joined the revolution in 1869 as a lieutenant and rose to the rank of general in a few months. He became known for his military exploits against the Spaniards and emerged as the nation's first president when the Philippine Republic was proclaimed by the Americans on June 12, 1898. Okay. So for our researcher, no, this is a special educational vlog, especially for our millennial na hindi gaano naabutan yung mga ganitong lesson kasi ngayon makabago na eh. Ang dami-dami ng mga lesson na natututunan, millennial, high-tech technology. So magbalik tanaw po tayo sa ating history. Especially yung mga hindi gaanong familiar sa mga ganitong heroes ay mapapanood nyo na dito sa Ninong TV, and you will discover if you have your research, assignment, homework, yung mga nagbalik eskwela, no? Mga nag-back to school after long vacation. Yung iba dyan is may pasok pa hanggang ngayon, 2 weeks na lang, 1 week na lang, and then this is your last assignment. Research about Emilio Aguinaldo kasi kakatapos lang magdiwang ng Independence Day. You better watch the Ninong TV. Subscribe also, and you may buy this video vlog for only 150 pesos and 80 pesos for screen recording. Sorry po, tapos lang ating summer promo. Next time ulit. Okay, for the first episode that you will witness here on Emilio's contribution in the Philippines is the Independence Day, the project that he did to our nation to serve, protection versus crimes, illegals, and the program that he implemented for the Philippine Republic. So as the Philippine president, you will discover.
We are no longer insurgents, we are no longer revolutionists, that is to say armed men desirous of destroying and annihilating the enemy. We are from now on republicans, that is to say men of law able to fraternize with all other nations with mutual respect and affection. From your President, Emilio Aguinaldo, the first President of Republic of the Philippines.
Okay, thank you for watching, and you've just discovered about Emilio Aguinaldo. So, tingnan nyo naman ang ninong nyo, Emilio dating nga. Because I also portrayed for the first President of the Philippines. So, last time lang, napanood nyo na yung movie vlog ko. Anyway, sa mga nanood, maraming salamat. That is Duterte, the King of President. So, ito naman, Emilio, the King of Cavite. Diba? Okay. Came from Cavite si Idol Emilio. Also, your ninong from Cavite rin ako sa Bacoor. Medyo kilometro lang ang layo namin sa isa't isa. Anyway, you've just discovered Emilio's contribution in the Philippines. Now, you will discover here a special tour o yung mga hindi pa nakakapunta sa bahay ni Emilio or sa mga nakapunta na. Discover natin dito yung kanyang mansion. Ayan. Mag-virtual tour naman tayo after educating. We will have a special field trip. My experience last 2017 and 2019. In 2019, ito na rin yung last kasi nag-pandemic na. So, more than 3 years na kami hindi nakikita ni President Emilio at this year, no? But, you know, on my elementary days, grade 1, grade 2, pumupunta kami doon sa bahay niya. Hindi pa ako ganun ka-bloom, no? Hindi ko pa siya familiar nung mga panahon na yun. Field trip kami doon pero hindi ko alam nandun din pala siya nakalibing. And luckily, if you will discover or if you will visit the home of Mr. Emilio, libreng-libre mo siyang makikita dahil dun siya nakalibing. Diba? Walang guards, walang nakaharang doon. You can go there, you can have a selfie, you can talk, and you can have a special salute for our Philippine President Emilio. So, I will show you here my 2017 and 2019 experience that I visit Mr. Emilio Aguinaldo. Enjoy! We've just discovered the house of Mr. Emilio Aguinaldo is just like you're in Malacanang because he's the first president, di ba? As usual, yung design ng Malacanang is red yung bubong and yung puti yung baba or yung pader, di ba? So parang kuhang-kuha talaga yung Malacanang, lalong-lalo na yung loob, di ba? Very antique talaga, ang ganda. Very fantastic. It's just like you're in Titanic, diba? So siguro dun siya na-inspire sa design ng Titanic, kaya pinagawa niya yun. But of course, after this special video vlog, I will show you here one video vlog came from Mr. President Emilio Aguinaldo. Wow! We didn't know about this, ha? O akala nyo, ninong lang, akala nyo, kayo lang ang vlogger. Well, si President Emilio Aguinaldo rin, di pa tatago yan. Yes, of course. For the first time in our Philippine history, may makikita tayo ditong video vlog na ginawa po ni Mr. Emilio Aguinaldo nung nabubuhay pa siya. So, you will discover here, nagsasalita siya ng Spanish. Siguro yung iba may pagka-English din. So, you better get your grandma, grandpa, na nabubuhay pa kayo na may pagka-Espanyol para may translator kayo. But anyway, this is something from his contribution. So, inire-report niya dito yung mga legacy niya, mga nagawa niya sa ating bansa, the good services, the CSR, and his contribution, in other words. So, we will discover here Emilio Aguinaldo's video blog.
Bienvenida a nuestro programa de América. Por la misma razón, espero que esta visita que nos ha asignado dicho gran actor Mr. Paipán estrechará más la armonía entre americanos on these islands. Os participo de que he dado la bienvenida a nuestro gran actor de América. Por la misma razón, I take pleasure in sending the following greeting to the United States and to the world at large. Me pide usted dos palabras. Diré algunas ideas mías sobre la invención o invento. El aparato que usted manipula es maravilloso porque reproduce la figura movible al mismo tiempo que emite el sonido de la voz. Cuando con el tiempo se perfeccione este invento, el mundo quedará sorprendido ante los cuadros vivientes y parlantes que ello exhibirá sobre el tiempo. La ciencia ha acrecentado el paso acelerado de los adelantos modernos. Por medio de la ciencia conservamos la salud e inclusive devolvemos la juventud a los que le abren los inventos. El aparato que usted manipula es maravilloso porque reproduce la figura movible al mismo tiempo que emite el sonido de la voz. Cuando con el tiempo se perfeccione este invento, el mundo quedará sorprendido ante los cuadros vivientes y parlantes que ello exhibirá sobre el tiempo. La ciencia ha acrecentado el paso acelerado de los adelantos modernos.
General Aguinaldo has become a household word the world over. A great general, great statesman, and a great man. He has been the means, in a measure, to allow the United States to establish peace and maintain prosperity on these islands.
Os participo de que he dado la bienvenida a nuestro gran actor de América. Por la misma razón, espero que esta visita que nos ha asignado dicho gran actor Mr. Paipán estrechará más la armonía entre América.
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless to all of you. And this is the vlog title once again, Emilio ang Batang Cavite, the Ninong TV in celebrating the 125th Independence Day special vlog that I presented to you. So thank you and God bless. You may subscribe, like, comment, and share. And you will discover this on my YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And hopefully, meron na kayong maisusulat sa inyong mga research Thank you, and see you once again. Happy Independence Day to all of us. Even though on the next day is not independence, let's promote the independence, let's promote the fight, the rules, the legacy, and the blood of being a Filipino. Thank you.